Hello friends, welcome back to the channel again. Today we are going to learn a beautiful and small function of Excel, how to insert a checkbox in your cells. It is quite easy method. You want to know, you want to learn. So this is a basic concept which everybody is unaware of. So let me explain you with a simple example. So we have the project owner's names and the status of the project. Okay, if I'm having this number of employees in my company and I want to know the status of the project, like how much it is completed, what is the current status, so whether it is started, it is realized, it is completed, or it is particularly saved. So either I have to do it manually, like I will give the word I will go to the home and I will change the theme to webdings. This is old method, okay, where you can see the tick marks against each step, but we don't have to do it like this. So what I will do is I will just delete it, and the new method is you have to select your cells where you want to insert your checkbox. Okay, so after selecting you need to go to insert and you need to click option checkbox. By this you can have checkbox in your cells, and now you can easily, by clicking on each checkbox, can give the status. Okay, I hope you got this point. This is one option. Okay, let me remove this now. Now what I have to do is I want to insert the checkbox through shortcut key. So what I will do is I will select the range, the cells where I want to insert the checkbox, and then I will insert a shortcut key Alt NCB, and you can see that automatically checkbox is inserted against each project owner and in the each cells. And now you can click the status of each project owner, whether the project owner has started the project. If yes, then click yes, otherwise keep it blank. If it is completed, yes. SOP saved, yes. I hope you like this video. This is very simple option in Excel, but many people are unaware of this particular function, and while using checkbox function the data is more presentable. I hope you like this video. So let's meet in our next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and enhance your skills.